What up? Welcome back to another episode of the Friday Quickie. Today I wanted to talk about something that I think either could help or hinder your views on YouTube. I was online looking at Fiverr.com. If you don't know what Fiverr is, it's basically a site that you could buy services from people. I was looking for a voiceover, and I just happened to stumble into the digital marketing area of the site, and what I saw was tons of ads for like YouTube video promotion. And I was like, I wonder if this would work. What I wanted to do is take two of my videos that I thought should have done better and see if this service could improve the views, get more engagement on the videos. I found this one. I like the title. It caught my attention. I will do a viral YouTube video promotion to 176,000 followers. He's got 5-star rating. If I were, say, on Amazon and I was looking at a set of headphones and I saw 1,029 people give these headphones a 5-star review, I'm probably gonna buy the headphones. So let's go down to the description and see what we get for our money. For $5, you can get one video promotion. So for $5, the basic plan here, you can throw one video up and he will promote this thing 2 times. This is a permanent post, which is pretty awesome. It'll be there forever. So if people go to this guy's blog, they've missed a few days or something like that, and they want to go back into the archives a little bit, they're going to stumble onto my videos. What they're going to do is share that to 176,000 active Tumblr users, improve your Google SEO rating, a chance to go viral, whatever. Delivery within 2 days or less, provide proof of our work. So it sounds like they might go ahead and give us some analytics to take a look. We can track those ourselves through our dashboard on YouTube. We can look and see what the engagement on our videos is right now. And then after delivery, we can go ahead and compare the two and see if this actually did anything or just wasted $12. And I promoted 2 videos that I thought were done really well. I feel like I did a really good job making these 2 videos. So I feel like there's good information in these videos, and any help that I can get to really kind of to boost these and get some attention, get some eyeballs on these videos, I think it's a good idea. So it then says, exciting stuff. The seller is now working on your delivery. The order is due on March 18th, 2019, which is Monday. So I want to know from you guys specifically, is this something that you guys have tried out? Have you used Fiverr.com? What are the issues that you guys have noticed with maybe boosting a post on Facebook or promoting something on Instagram or YouTube? Let's hope that this just kind of gives it a nice little bump. I'm not expecting, to pay $12 to this gentleman and, all of a sudden have some crazy viral YouTube account. That is today's episode. What I do want to do is a follow-up episode, and what we'll do is go ahead and compare and contrast results, where those videos are now analytically and where they are after this promotion ends. If nothing happens, then, whatever. It was only $12, but if $12 somehow gave me a boost and people start watching my content and maybe jumping on board, like I said, then that's totally worth it. So I will see you guys next Friday with the results of this promotion. Thanks for hanging out with me on this Friday Quickie. I will talk to you later.